Hello friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then you are most welcome. And if you are visiting my channel again, then thank you for your encouragement and blessings. Please check my description box of each and every videos. There you will get all the details about the video and all the links. Thank you. Hello friends, today we will discuss about those animals who are already extinct from our mother earth. Animal extinctions may be caused by natural occurrence such as climatic heating or cooling or changes in sea levels. In modern times, however, a human activity has been to blame. Habitat destruction as farming land expands and forests are cut down is the main cause of modern extinctions, along with pollution and the introduction of alien species and overfishing or hunting. Increasingly, however, climate changes is thought to be driving extinctions. Let's talk about few animals which are extinct totally from the mother earth. The first one is the West African black rhinoceros. The West African black rhinoceros was found in several countries towards the southeast region of Africa. This animal was seen in Cameroon in 2006. It was declared officially extinct in 2011. The next one is Beige white dolphin. Beige white dolphin, also called the Chinese river dolphin, can only be found in the river in China. These mammals could grow to 8 feet long and weigh up to a quarter of ton. Officially recorded as extinct, no one has seen it in the river dolphin since 2002. The next one is Pyrenean ibex, one of 4 subspecies of the Spanish ibex or Iberian goat that was found in the Iberian Peninsula. The Pyrenean ibex became extinct very recently in 2000. The Pyrenean ibex probably extinct due to the disease. The next one is passenger pigeon. Native to North America, the passenger or wild pigeon has been extinct since the early 20th century. Passenger pigeon died out in the wild by around 1900, with the last known individual dying in captivity in 1914. The next one is Tasmanian tiger. It is native to Australia, and in 1986 it was declared that the Tasmanian tiger had been extinct since 1936 after the last known individual had died in Hobart Zoo, which is in Tasmania. Now the next one is great auk, a large and flightless bird found in North Atlantic and as far south as northern Spain. The last of these birds was killed by 3 men who caught in Scotland in 1844, and a large storm which believed that has finished the generation of great auk. Now, the next one is dodo, an extinct flightless bird that inhabited Mauritius. The dodo was about 1 meter tall and may have weighed 10 to 18 kg. The last widely accepted sighting of a dodo was in 1662. Now the next one is woolly mammoth. The enormous mammal, believed to be closely related to the modern day elephant. The ancestors migrated out of Africa about 3.5 million years ago, spreading across northern Eurasia and North America. The last of the isolated woolly mammoth populations is believed to have vanished from the island in the Arctic Ocean around 1700 BC. Now, the last one, which is saber-toothed cat, often called saber-toothed tigers or saber-toothed lions. They extinct 55 million to 11,700 years ago. Saber-toothed cats were carnivorous, named for the elongated blade-like canine teeth, which is some species were up to 50 centimeters long. So we have learned so many about so many extinct animals today. I hope this information is very much informative for you. Thank you so much everyone for supporting me, and please stay with me like this. Thank you everyone.